Are you tired of sky-high energy bills? An energy expert has uncovered the real reason behind those skyrocketing costs, and it's not what you think. Before you pay another hefty bill, consider this cutting-edge energy-saving method you can explore right now. This simple principle has been overlooked for over a century, and it could significantly reduce your costs. An expert has rediscovered a long-forgotten invention from the steam engine era that can help lower your power bills. And guess what? It's not about solar panels or complicated setups. While many solutions offer temporary relief, they often miss the core issue. This expert faced challenges, revealing information they weren't supposed to know, but now you can benefit. Thousands of Americans are already trying it and reporting lower bills and peace of mind during outages. So, pause what you're doing and click the link below to watch a short free video this expert created. The energy industry might prefer you didn't see this. Watch it now while it's still available.